Hello everyone, welcome back to class. If you are new here, don't forget to hit subscribe button. Today, we are talking about something that every computer user must know, which is computer navigation. If you have ever felt lost on your computer, this video is for you. It is ideal for beginners or students learning how to use computer effectively, or those with some knowledge but just wanted to fill in some gaps. What is computer navigation? Computer navigation is how we move around and interact with different parts of computer, like opening files, using folders, switching between programs, typing on keyboard, and more. Switch on and shut down a computer. How to switch on a computer? When you are going to switch on a computer, you have to do the following. Number 1. Connect the power. Make sure the computer is plugged into a power source. For laptops, ensure the battery is charged or connected to a charger. Number 2. Turn on the monitor. For the desktop computers, place the power button on the monitor. Number 3. Place the power button on the computer. Usually, on desktop computer, the power button is on the front top of the computer case. On laptop, the power button is usually near the keyboard or above the function keys. Number 4. Wait for the computer to boot up. The computer will start to load operating system in its storage. After, you will need to enter a password or a PIN if it is required. Shut down a computer for Windows 11 or Windows 10. Before you shut down your computer, you have to make sure that all current running programs are closed and all devices connected like flash disk, memory card, or external hard disk are disconnected. Then, use one of the following methods. Method 1. Using the Start menu. You click on Start menu and click on Power icon. Then, select Shut down. Method number 2. Using keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete on keyboard and click Power icon in bottom right corner. Then select Shut down. Close all current running programs and press Alt plus F4 on keyboard. Then select Shut down on Shut down window opened. After, click on OK. You have to note this. Please, do not hold the power button unless the computer is frozen. This is called hard shutdown and may cause data loss. Computer desktop. The desktop is the main screen you see after your computer finishes to boot up. To boot a computer is to start it so that it can load the operating system and make it ready for use. It is the part of graphical user interface of operating system, like a Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. The desktop is like a working table where you keep your most used tools, icons, access programs, and manage your computer easily. Components of computer desktop. The desktop consists of icons, the taskbar, and other features. Number 1. Desktop icons. Icons are the image that represent application programs, folders, and files. They are usually manipulated using pointing devices. Example: on computer desktop, we can have this PC icon, Recycle bin icon, Google Chrome icon, Microsoft Word file icons, and many others. Number 2. Taskbar. A taskbar is a bar usually at the bottom of computer screen showing learning programs. These programs can be clicked to start software applications or switch between open applications. It also includes the Start menu, Search bar, Quick Launch, Date and Time, System Tray, and Notification area. Start menu or Start button is a feature that opens a menu with access to apps, settings, power options, and more. Computer mouse or touchpad and keyboard. Computer mouse. A mouse is a small device you move with your hand to control the pointer or cursor on the screen. Many parts of mouse. Left button. Left button is used for selecting or clicking. Right button. Right button is used to open special or context menus. Scroll wheel. Scroll wheel is used to move up or down pages. Types of mice. The types of mice include wired mouse, which is a mouse connected on a computer using a cable through the port. Wireless mouse. Wireless mouse works without a cable, using Bluetooth or USB receiver. Touchpad. A touchpad is a flat surface on a laptop that does the same job as a mouse. You move your finger on it to control the pointer. How to use a touchpad. To tap once on touchpad is like a left click. To touch with two fingers is like a right click. To slide with two fingers up or down is to scroll up or scroll down. To double tap on touchpad and drag is to move items. A mouse or touchpad helps you to move the pointer on the screen and interact with your computer. Keyboard. A keyboard is a device used to type letters, numbers, and symbols into a computer. It is one of the main ways we communicate with and control a computer. What are the main parts of keyboard? The main parts of keyboard is made of different kind of keys. Number 1. Alphabet keys are keys named from A to Z. They are used for typing words and sentences. Number keys. Number keys are keys named from 0 up to 9. They are found at the top row and also in the right as numeric keypad on the same keyboard. It is used to type numbers into a computer. Function keys. Function keys are the keys named from F1 to F12. It is used to perform special tasks like refreshing a page or adjusting brightness. Control keys. Number 4. Control keys. Control keys is made by Control key, Alt key, Shift key, Escape key, Windows key, and many others. Navigation keys. In the navigation keys, we have arrow keys, home, and page up and page down. Number 6. Special keys. In the special keys, we have Enter key. Enter key is used to confirm commands or move to the next line. Backspace key. Backspace key, it is used to delete letters to the left. Delete key. Delete key, remove a selected item or delete to the right. Spacebar key. Spacebar key is used to add space between words. Caps lock key. The caps lock key is used for typing upper or lowercase. Tab key. Tab key is used to move the cursor or jump to the next space or field. Computer file and folder. Computer file. A file is a digital document or piece of data saved on your computer. Examples: a Word document, a picture, a video, or a PDF. A file is specified by file extension. File extension is 3 or 4 letters which is at the end of the name of a file, start with a dot, which shows the type of document and the software which will open the document. How to create a file. The following are the procedures for creating a file. Right-click on the desktop or inside a folder, choose New, and then select the type of file you want to create, either text, Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or other type of document. After, type the name of the file and press Enter. Computer folder. A folder is a specific storage location in storage media used to organize and store related files. A folder may also contain other folders within it, which are called subfolders. How to create a folder. Method 1. Go to the location where you want to place your folder, like on desktop or in documents. Right-click in an empty space, choose New, and then select the folder. Type the name of folder and press Enter. Method number 2 is using shortcut. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus N on your keyboard, and then a new folder will appear. Type the name and press Enter. Navigating files and folders. Computer contains drives, like drive C, D, or others depending to the wish of user. It also contains built-in folders which is used to keep different items. For example, it contains downloads, which is a folder that stores all files downloaded by default. Now, let's talk about navigating your files. To navigate the files, we use File Explorer. Open File Explorer by clicking on it, or press Windows plus E on keyboard to access drives, folders, and files. Use left pan to explore main areas like this PC, documents, downloads, or desktop. Double-click to open folders or files, or use search bar to quickly find what you need. Windows. A window is an area on screen that displays information for a specific program. This often includes the user graphical interface as well as the program content. Types of windows. There are 2 types of windows. Number 1, application window. It is a larger window that is displayed when application is opened. For example, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, among others. It helps the user to communicate with the application program. Number 2, document window. It is the smaller window inside the application window. It is used for typing, editing, drawing, and formatting the text and graphics. Working with Windows and applications. Because everything on your computer runs inside a window, you manage them using window controls. Window controls are the features that are located in the upper right corner of your screen. Number 1, minimize. Minimize is used to hide the window without closing it. Number 2, maximize. Maximize is used to make a window full the screen of your computer. Number 3, restore down. Restore down is used to reduce the size of a window. Number 4 is close. Close is used to exit the program. The taskbar is also used to switch between open programs by moving from one program to another. Scroll bar. A scroll bar is a tool on the side or bottom of window that helps you to move up, down, left, or right to see more content that does not fit on screen of your computer. Types of scroll bars. Types of scroll bars composed by vertical scroll bar. A vertical scroll bar is a scroll bar that appears on the right side of a window. It is used to scroll up or down. Horizontal scroll bar. A horizontal scroll bars appear at the bottom of window, used to scroll left or right. Switching between opened applications or programs. When you have 2 or more applications opened, you can switch from one application to another. I'm going to show you the easy way of switching from one application to another. Press Alt plus Tab key on your keyboard for demonstration. Number 2. Use the taskbar to switch from one application to another by clicking on the application you wish on Quick Launch. Number 3. You can minimize the window just to find another window you want. Even you can close the window you no longer need and remain with the windows you want. That is your introduction to computer navigation. Now, I hope you know how to move around your computer with confidence. If this video helped you, give it a like and share it with someone who is just starting out with computers. If you got a question or want a part 2, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.